Hello everyone, welcome to this Python tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are going to take a look at strings and phrases. So let's say we want to print something. So if you remember from our last lesson about variables, we could assign variables. So let's say this is sentence underscore 1 equals let's say Joe was on his way to school then. Or if you don't want to put like sentence like long phrases, you could just put like any like letter. Let's do A. So we could do A and then plus, and then this can be B equals so Joe was on his way to school, then the teacher asked him where he is going. Obviously he's going to school, but this is just a story. So A plus B. So then we could do that. Then Joe was on his way to school. Then the teacher asked him where he is going. So basically, this is like phrases are very similar, very similar to strings, but so this is basically string or phrases and strings. But for a phrase, you do phrase and then phrase underscore 1, and then it will be phrase plus phrase underscore 1, and then it's like the same exact thing. And that pretty much wraps up for today's tutorial, and thank you guys for staying and learning Python.